let us solve the problems related to the magnetic field due to electric current. Let us see first problem. A circular loop of radius 9.7 centimeter carries a current of 2.3 ampere. Therefore, first read the problem carefully and write down the given physical quantity. Therefore, in solution data, first we have given the radius of circular loop. Therefore, say it is capital R is equal to 9.7 centimeter is equal to the 9.7 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Convert it into meter SI system मध्ये. It carries a current of 2.3 ampere. Therefore, I is equal to the 2.3 ampere. Okay. Now, obtain the magnitude of magnetic field at A at the center of the loop. We have to find out the magnetic field at the center of loop. Therefore, first is we have to calculate B at the center. Okay. Now, at B point, at a distance 9.7 centimeter from the center of the loop but on the axis, means we have to find out the magnetic field on the axis. Okay, and distance is the 9.7 centimeter. Okay, in this B case we have given the value of Z, and Z is equal to the 9.7 centimeter. Convert it into meter. Therefore, 9.7 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay. And in B point, we have to calculate the B axis due to the circular loop. First, we calculate the B center, A point. Okay, what is the value of B at the center? It is mu 0 I upon 2R. Simple. Capital R घेतलं तरी चालेल. Okay, therefore, mu 0 is the permeability of a free space, and this value is given to you. Okay, it is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into 2.3 upon 2 into R. R is 9.7 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, then this becomes 2 pi into 2.3 upon, okay, this is 2 pi into 2.3 upon 9.7 into, this is 10 raised to minus 7, and this is becomes the 10 raised to plus 2. Therefore, this becomes 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, therefore, 2 into 3.14 into 2.3 upon 9.7 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, therefore, it becomes 6.28 into 2.3 upon 9.7 into 10 raised to minus 5 as it is. जेवढं सिम्पली कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आहे तेवढं करून घ्यायचं आहे. ओके, 2 into 3.14 is 6.28. Okay, and if you calculate this answer will be B is equal to the 1.49 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. This is the answer of A, B center. Magnetic field at the center of the loop is B is equal to 1.49 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla or Weber per meter square. Okay, this is about the B center. Now we have to calculate part B at a distance 9.7 centimeter from the center of the loop but on the axis. Okay, let us calculate the B section. Okay, B section. In B section, we have to calculate B axis is equal to the, what is the formula? Mu 0 I R square upon 2 into Z square plus R square bracket raised to 3 by 2. The magnetic field at the axis due to the circular loop is given by this formula. Therefore, mu 0 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into I. What is the value of I here? 2.3 into R. R square 9.7 square into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, 10 raised to minus 2 square, 10 raised to minus 4 upon 2. Okay, Z square. What is the Z? Value of 9.7 into 10 raised to minus 2 bracket square plus. Okay, R square 9.7 into 10 raised to minus 2 bracket square raised to 3 by 2. Okay, then this get cancelled. Okay, therefore we get 2 pi into 2.3 into, this becomes 94.49. The cancel te paha 9.4 चा, so where it becomes this into, this is 10 raised to minus 7 and this is 10 raised to minus 4. It becomes 10 raised to minus 11 upon this 9.7 plus 9.7. What is the 9.7 plus 9.7? It becomes as 19.4. 19.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 the square. Okay, and raised to 3 by 2. Therefore, this will get cancelled. Okay, then we get the next step is, see this, I am writing here. B is equal to the 2 into 3.14 into 2.3 into, okay, 94.49 upon 19.4 into 10 raised to minus 2 raised to 3, because this square get cancelled. Okay, and numerator 10 raised to minus 11. Okay, this is 10 raised to minus 11. Then if you calculate this, B is equal to the 6.28 into 2.3 into 4.49 upon 19.4 into 19.4 into 19.4 into, this is 10 raised to minus 6 and this is 10 raised to minus 11. Therefore, this become 10 raised to minus, yes, this is minus 11 and this is, therefore this becomes 10 raised to minus 11 and minus 5. Okay, and if you calculate this, this becomes 0.168 into 10 raised to minus 6 Tesla. This is 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla, and if you calculate, this is 1.68 into 10 raised to minus 6 Tesla. This is the value of magnetic induction on the axis due to the circular loop. Okay, now see the second problem. It is straightforward. A circular coil of wire made up of 100 turns. Therefore, in solution, डेटा मध्ये काय दिलेले आपल्याला पहा, n is equal to 100 turns. Each of radius r is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, convert it into meter, 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Carries a current of I is equal to the 0.40 ampere. What will be the magnetic field at the center of the coil? We have to find out the magnetic field at the center of the coil. Okay, therefore we have to calculate B center. Just we have calculated it. Okay, therefore use the same formula as used in previous problem. B is equal to the S mu 0 I upon 2R. If there are the number of turns, we have given the circular coil चे किती turns आहे, 100 turns आहे. Therefore multiply it by n. Therefore B is equal to the n mu 0 I upon 2R. N is 100. Mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. I is 0.40. Okay, upon 2 into 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, therefore this becomes B is equal to the, this 2 get cancelled with this one of the 2. Therefore here is 200 pi into 0.40 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 8 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, therefore B is equal to the, this is 8, this is 16. Okay, remaining is 4, 25. Okay, therefore this becomes 25 into 3.14 into 0.40 into 10 raised to minus 5. This is 25 into 3.14 into 0.40 into the, this is 10 raised to minus 7 and this is 10 raised to 2. Therefore it becomes 10 raised to minus 5. If you calculate this, this becomes B is equal to the 0.314. Well, sorry, S. 31.4 into 10 raised to minus 5. This becomes the 31.4 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. Okay, therefore this is the magnetic field at the center of the coil. Okay, let us see the third problem. Calculate the value of B at a distance of 2 centimeter from a very long straight wire carrying current of 5 ampere. Here again we have to calculate value of B, magnetic induction or magnetic field. Okay, at a distance of 2 centimeter. Okay, therefore R is equal to 2 centimeter. Convert it into meter. Therefore 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. From a very long straight wire carrying current of 5 ampere. I is given as 5 ampere. Calculate the value of B. You can use the Biot-Savart law or Ampere's law. Okay, then what is the formula for B? Magnetic field due to the current carrying conductor. That conductor is long, straight. Okay, B is equal to the mu 0 I upon 2 pi r. Mu 0 is constant. Its value is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 into 5 upon 2 pi. Okay. Into r is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. Therefore, this pi get cancelled with this pi. 4 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 2 into 2 is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. This 4 get cancelled with this 4. Therefore, we get 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla or Weber per meter square. This is the value of magnetic field at a distance of 2 centimeter from a straight wire carrying current of 5 ampere. This is the straightforward problem. Okay.